Whoa, it's packed.
Yeah.
It's like packed to the brim.
Oh, there's more. There's more. Check out the other door.
Okay, all right.
So it is time to light off some fireworks. Just got back from the Sky King. You can see we've got a full SUV load full. Let me let you have a look here. All right. Oh, whoa. There's my brothers here.
Oh, hey.
Guys. How you doing?
Hey,
What's going on? Take a look here.
Where'd you get all that?
I know. We got a
Whoa.
serious load this year.
Oh, this is a party.
Yeah. Come check out the other doors. You gotta check these out.
Yeah, okay. Whoa. It's packed.
Yeah.
It's like packed to the brim.
Oh, there's more. There's more. Check out the other door.
Okay, all right. Oh, this is crazy, John. Justin, have you seen this?
I know.
Oh.
Hey, Justin. Justin. Where's Justin?
Justin, no!
All right, so it's fireworks time, or fireworks prep time. Let me take you through what we got this year. Got quite a few. What I am gonna show you today is how we set up the mortars, which is in this container right here. But before we show you about the mortars, let's just show you the rest of the fireworks. So we're gonna clear out some space so we can wick these mortars and not blow ourselves up, and hopefully enjoy the process. Here we go. So we got our mortars set up here. These are the mortar tubes. We got one up here by itself. Mortar goes in each one of these, and they shoot off. We're gonna wick them up together so they all shoot off at once. And we've got 5 of them.
I ain't a man that you've been looking for. Hearts being darker than a devil's soul. I ain't someone you bring to mama's house. When I say time is a thief and love is all grief and all you will ever see me do.
So we got this starter fuse. It's gonna burn through here. These are all connected, and it's gonna run through all of these and pretty much blow them all off at once. Take you down to the beach in a little bit and show you what one mortar looks like when it goes off, so you can see the power of these things.